Hello, and welcome to the Austin Startup Week Entrepreneurship 101 track. I'm very excited to have everybody here today, and welcome to my home office. We're going to have 4 different sessions this afternoon, and then some networking so that everybody can get together and get to know everybody in this wonderful virtual world. Before I get started, I want to introduce myself and tell you why I'm excited about the track and a little bit about the advisors. And then I'm going to be doing 2 things today. I'm going to be emceeing between the tracks, and I'm also giving the first workshop, which starts at 1 o'clock Central Time. So I'm Amos Schwartzfarb. I'm the managing director of Techstars here in Austin, and I'm going to be giving. There's going to be 4 sessions today, like I said. The first 3 sessions are done intentionally with 2 of my co-authors from a new book that we have coming out in the spring, and they're a progression that work on top of each other. So hopefully, if you're here, you can be around for all 3 of those, and if not, you can buy the book in the spring. The first one that I'm going to be giving later today, in just a little while, is called Finding Your Revenue Formula, and it's about figuring out all the things you need to do in order to make sure that you are on the right path to figuring out your business model. The second one, given by Cody Sims, is taking all that information and then making sense of it, prioritizing it, figuring out what's validated, what still needs to be validated. And then the third one is also an excerpt given by Trevor Bain, which is, now that you have all of that, how do you figure out what the right KPIs are, so that as you start to execute what you're doing now and next, you know that you're headed in the right path. And then after that, we're going to have a chat with James Garvey and Jason Bornhorst on the state of fintech in Austin. So that's a little bit about today. I'm going to sign off for the next 12 or so minutes. And then at 1 sharp, please welcome back. And we will jump right into finding your revenue formula with yours truly.